Testing version 488. Extremely slow launching time. When you press the previous button, you can see the previous frame. However, the numbers are incorrect. If you share your comic and later you want to edit again, the previous button and share button don't work. Fortunately, I can share on Instagram. When exporting, the different processes that are taking place are now shown on the screen. We also noticed a shorter exporting time. Hello? Still not working? Right. Okay, see you later. Can't upload it on YouTube? Subscribers, you are the best. Thank you. Thanks for watching.